Hi everyone, welcome back to our distance learning. It's me again, Teacher Jenny. Today is Thursday, April 1st, 2021. And for our first session, we are going to study Writing Bright 1 to page 68, part 1. Now, before we proceed to our new lesson, let's have a quick review about previous lesson. Last time we talked about a short story about Mother's Day. And inside that short story, there's a highlight words. So these are the highlight words. Wrote, gave, bake, made, showed, told. So these are the correct past tense. Now moving on to our new lesson, it's also related to our previous lesson. We are going to talk about indirect object and direct object. Some verbs can take two objects, a direct object and a indirect object. The indirect object is a noun or pronoun to whom or for whom the action is done. The indirect object can be placed before or after the direct object. The indirect object is used with a preposition to or for when it comes after the direct object. So here's the example, everyone. She sent a letter. She sent a letter to me, and she sent me a letter. So as you can see, everyone, the first underlined word from the last sentence, this is indirect object. And the direct object is a letter. As you can see, everyone, indirect object is a pronoun in here. And the direct object is what? Letter. Now, another example in here is this sentence says, we made some tea. We made some tea for her. And we made her some tea. So, the same in our first example, the last sentence in here is also, yes, we can see there is a pronoun in here. So as you can see in here, everyone, the third sentence in our second example is also, first underlined word is a pronoun. Therefore, this is an indirect object. And the direct object in here is some tea. So I hope every one of you got the explanation clearly. Next, let's do some practice about this lesson. Complete the sentences with the words in brackets in the correct order, then write the complete sentence. Sentence number 1 is an example. So as you can see, everyone, I highlight this one into color red already because this one is already corrected. So this is an example. So the rest, everyone, number 2 to number 10, you are going to complete the words from the brackets. So the brackets, you can see in here that there's a different words and bold words. Don't forget to send your answers to your teacher's personal telegram. This is the end of our first session, everyone. We have short lesson about our new lesson, but I hope that everything in here is clear. So we will see again in our second session. Goodbye, everyone.